gonna, gotta, and gonna. Yes, these are the short forms, very important for your spoken English. And these are the short forms for informal spoken English. So, hello everybody, welcome to 7 Minute Learning and Alamin's English here. So, let's begin our journey. So, first word for us is wanna. What is the meaning of wanna? Wanna means on to. Wanna means on to. For example, I wanna go out. I wanna go out. So instead of saying I wanna go out, you can say I want to go out. So this is the long form, and this is the short form. So you can say I wanna go out instead of saying I want to go out. Next is gotta. Gotta. So instead of saying this is very big and you have to put, plenty of efforts. So look at this. Have got to. So instead of saying this, you can say gotta. Gotta. For example, I gotta go out. I gotta go out. Instead of saying I have got to go out. So I have got to go out. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes a lot of things. So you can say I gotta go out instead of saying I have got to go out. Next is gonna. Gonna you can use instead of going to. Going to, for example, I gonna eat. I gonna eat. Oh, I gonna eat. This is what is this? This is lunch time. I gonna eat lunch. Instead of saying, instead of saying I'm going to eat lunch. So, wanna, gonna, wanna, gotta, gonna. Very important. Remember it and step by step keep learning. Keep watching my channel and page 7 Minute Learning. If you can, share this video because this is very important and valuable video. Assalamu alaikum.